This is feedback for Dalal D. First of all, please take out these first few numbers off your ID. It should look like this. Give me a title. You should not just have an essay with just nothing here. Every essay needs to have a title. It needs to be a nice, creative, clear title. You have a lot of up here frag. That means fragment. I know you guys are studying this with Miss Aneda, so I know you know what that is. It's a sentence that's not complete. You just said, be handicapped physically and mentally, can't do anything like before. Who is going to be handicapped, right? You need to be clear. So these are fragments here, these sentences. WW, wrong word. Parmesan is not the right word you're trying to say here. Is this related, this sentence? Right? And when we are following all the rules, not just focusing on the wrong, this is getting to stop the accident happening. This is something that should be probably in your concluding paragraph, not in your intro. Then you give me the thesis, and people not focus while they drive. I was asking, did you really mean weather? Because I think in your second body paragraph, you're talking about can't focus on the road because of bad weather. So I'm just wondering, did you mean to say this, or maybe you wanted to say weather? I don't know. You need to change one of those, either the body paragraph or your thesis. These arrows mean there's a word missing here. The word missing here is a verb, which is really important. There's a word missing here as well. And then I'm just like, is this related? You say the first cause is not paying attention, and then you're saying not following the rules. This does not support, right? And then you're talking about aggressiveness again. That has nothing to do with not paying attention. ACA means academic. You shouldn't be talking to somebody in this essay. You should be saying very academic when people are driving a car. So, and again, these paragraphs need to do like we did in class. Need to make topic sentence, point support, point support, point support, concluding sentence, transitions through between all of those. Okay, so that needs to be changed. See the road so clearly. Will you drive? So again, words missing here. This is unclear. I don't know what you're trying to say. And I'm saying here, how does this cause accidents, right? So this is like in the example I was telling you in class. When you make an example, you should clearly show cause and effect. How does using a mobile cause accidents, right? Be very clear with these things in your essay. Here I'm saying be specific in the body. This is not where you use language like some people drive on a long highway and they're tired. Give a specific example. Say, for example, if someone is driving on the highway, right? Not just some people or sometimes, or there is people, right? This is the language of the intro, not the body. Finally, the conclusion, wrong word. It's not the right word. I'm asking you, is this related? Why all of a sudden seatbelts? What does that have to do with not focusing or not following the rules? Listing does not equal academic. Here you're just listing a bunch of different things. You should do this, you should do this, you should do this, you should do this, you should do this. That's not really what a concluding paragraph. Give advice. More police on the road to catch the high speed. I like that idea. Making the phone silent. Don't just keep on listing a bunch of stuff here at the end. Make the changes, upload it into port 1, WR1, week 7.